Today's seated practice is going to be all about the spine. So we're going to inhale the arms up overhead and exhale the arms down as you hinge at the hips, rounding the back softly and letting the head and arms hang. Inhale, halfway rise with the fingertips tented on the floor or grasping your shins higher up. Exhale, folding in, letting the head hang. Inhale, halfway rise. Exhale, fold. Nice and slow, nice and smooth. And inhale to halfway rise and then continue up to sit. All right, now we're going to introduce some twisting. So let that left forearm rest on the left thigh, right fingertips sweep down, and inhale as you twist upward, fingertips to ceiling and following with your eyes if you can. Exhale as you twist back down, lowering the hands, sweeping the fingers on the floor and looking over that left thigh and elbow. Inhale back up, fingertips follow the fingers. Eyes follow the fingers. And exhale as you fold, twisting to the other side. Here's just a different view. Inhale up, fingertips to ceiling. And exhale, twisting down to the left. Inhale up again. We're going to do a couple more of these, exhaling as the fingertips sweep down towards the floor to the left, inhaling the arm up through center to the ceiling. Exhale down. Now we're going to change things up. This next inhale, sweep the fingers upwards. Now you can rest that top hand on your low back, and you can reach the left fingertips for the floor by the instep of your foot, if that's comfortable. If it's too much, just leave your forearm on the thigh. We're just introducing a little more of a twist. We're introducing some more extension to that top arm. Bring the fingertips up towards the ceiling and exhale both elbows on both thighs. Switching sides, inhale the other fingertips up towards the ceiling. Exhale as you lower them towards the floor. Inhale up. Exhale down. And just notice if one side feels easier than the other. So you're just going to follow your own breath. Continue this repetition a handful more times. And I'll let you know when we're going to do the hold at the end. All right, so on this next inhale, sweeping the fingertips up to the ceiling, we're going to lower that hand to the low back. You can leave the right forearm on the right thigh, or you can lower your fingertips to the instep of your foot. You're just keeping your neck in line with your spine, but you're still looking upwards. All right, and then we're going to come up, elbow to thigh, bring the fingertips back up to ceiling, and then bring the forearm back to the thigh. Okay, so resting here for a moment. And we're just going to come into some nice cat-cows. So your hands can rest on your thighs, inhaling as you send your chest forward, looking up slightly, and exhaling as you round back. Now this is easiest when you're sitting a little forward on the chair so that you have room to round back without hitting the backrest. But you're just going to follow your breath, and you can make the movement as big or as small as is comfortable. We're just really trying to make extension and flexion happen through the full length of the spine and introduce some pelvic tilting. All right, so one more cat-cow transition from here. And then when you're ready, you can just return to a normal seated position and carry on with your day.